If you've been functioning all day and your body feels tired, but you still can't settle, this practice helps you come out of this constant go mode into a state that feels more soothing and restorative. We'll need a blanket or bolster and 1 or 2 yoga blocks. When you're ready, let's begin in easy seat. Ground yourself through your sitting bones and sit nice and tall. Bring your chin to your chest and find some gentle movements in your neck. Roll your neck from side to side, from left to right, and from right to left. Come to an end. Find your way into a tabletop position. Then drop your belly and lift your chest for cat pose as you inhale. Tuck your belly in, bring your chin toward your chest, and round your spine as you exhale. Continue in your own pace of breathing. Breathe in, arc your spine. Breathe out, round your back. Do this 2 more times. Then slowly come to stillness. Inhale, lift your right arm up toward the ceiling. Exhale as you thread the needle. Bring your right ear and shoulder down to the earth. Extend your left arm out forward and rest on your right temple. Stay here for a few more breaths. Slide your right arm back to center and come back into tabletop position. Lift your left arm up as you inhale and cross it under your body on your exhale. Bring your left temple to the mat and extend your right arm out forward. Keep your breath steady and stay here for a few more moments. Release your pose and come back to center. And from your tabletop position, step your right foot forward between your hands into a low lunge. Take your time to settle in here. Slowly bring yourself upright and sit as low as it feels comfortable for you and your body. Interlace your fingers and let your hands rest on your right thigh. Bring your hands back to the earth and step your right foot back into a tabletop position. Now find low lunge on the other side. Step your left foot forward between your hands. Lift your upper body and sink into low lunge. Clasp your hands and let them rest on your left thigh. Bring your hands back to the mat and find your own way into a seated position. Place your hands behind you and your feet in front of you. Then slowly start to drop your knees to the right and then to the left side, like windshield wipers. Give yourself permission to move slowly here. Let the pace soften. Come to an end and continue into a supported seated forward. Grab your blanket or bolster and 1 or 2 blocks, whichever you prefer. Place the blanket under your knees so that the knees stay slightly bent. Place the block between your legs at a height that feels right for you. Bend your upper body forward and rest your forehead on the block. Take your time to settle in here. It should feel comfortable and supportive. Your palms facing up or down. Stay here for a few more breaths. Keep your breath steady. Then release your pose. Lift your upper body and remove your props, but keep 1 block nearby. Place your legs in front of you. Reach underneath your knees and slowly lower yourself onto your back. Keep your feet grounded on the floor and lift your hips into bridge pose. Take your block and place it underneath your sacrum. Choose a height that feels comfortable for you, a height that allows you to remain in this pose comfortably for a few more breaths. Allow your full weight to rest on the block. Let go. Allow yourself to be supported. There is nothing else you need to do in this very moment. Just be. Come onto the tips of your toes. Lift your hips a little higher to remove the block. And then slowly lower your back down onto the mat and bring your knees toward your chest. And hug yourself. Begin to circle your legs clockwise. Move really slowly, as if you were giving your lower back a soft massage. Let the movement feel nourishing and soothing for your body. Change direction and circle counterclockwise. Then come to stillness. Release your arms and extend them out to both sides. Keep your knees bent and lifted above your hips with your shins parallel to the mat. From here, slowly let your knees fall over to the right side for a gentle reclining twist. If you like, you can place your right hand on your left knee or simply keep the arms where they are. Your gaze stays up toward the ceiling. Do whatever feels comfortable for you. Come back to center. Extend both arms out again and let your knees fall over to the left side, staying around navel height. You can place your left hand on your right knee. Your gaze stays up toward the ceiling. And then simply rest here for a few more breaths in this gentle twist. Release your pose. Bring your knees back to center and let your legs slide forward. Extend them out about mat width apart and allow your feet to naturally roll open to the sides. Let your arms rest beside you with your palms facing upward. Relax your shoulders and allow the weight of your body to fully settle into the earth. Close your eyes. Smooth out the space between your eyebrows. Let your forehead soft and release the point or between the eyes. Relax your jaw. Allow yourself to be supported by this final resting pose. Slowly come back. Bring some gentle movement back into your body. Move your fingers and your wrists. Circle your ankles and move every single toe. Bring your arms overhead and stretch your whole body long. When you're ready, slowly come into an upright seated position and find an easy seat. Keep your eyes closed and take a deep breath in. Lift your arms up. Breathe out as you bring your hands to your heart center. How do you feel right now? Thank yourself for choosing these 15 minutes to do something kind for yourself. Something that nourishes your body and mind. Even if it felt difficult at times to settle down or move slowly, you can always come back to this sequence and simply practice it. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Namaste.